Welcome back. Now, whenever you're going to edit out a certain portion of the audio, it's fairly straightforward as to how you're going to use the tools in Audacity to do that. For example, you determine there's a place inside of your audio that you feel needs to be removed. You will place your cursor there. What you'll then do is you will then select part of that audio, and you will then cut out that part of the audio. And you'll see then that that part of the audio is then going to be removed. You can then listen to your changes by clicking the play button. Now, it's possible that you may not like the change that you made. And if that's the case, you're going to go to the edit area. You're then going to go to the undo cut. That's going to restore the audio to where it was before you got started. And of course, anytime you make changes, the best thing to do when you make changes is to save your changes as a new project file. In some cases, because of the speed or the cadence at which the audio is created, you may not be able to cut out the audio in order to preserve continuity. If that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to place your cursor on the area that you need to have silent. And you're then going to select that area. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your toolbar and you're going to see an area here that says Silence Audio Selection. You're going to click that area. And basically what you've done here is you have created an area where there will be no sound in the audio. And of course, if you don't like that particular selection, once you have previewed it by clicking the play button, what you can do is you can go to the edit button. You can then click this link that says Undo Silence. That will remove the silence, and then your sound will be back in the area in which it was. So you do have options in order to remove existing audio from a recording. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.